few problems throughout today. We've got some snow in the forecast. Not everywhere is going to see it. Some rain mixed in as well, but a cold and a frosty start to the day. So we've got the frost and also some pockets of fog around for many northern and eastern areas through this morning. But cast your eyes towards the southwest and we've already got some rain heading in here. That's going to be turning increasingly to snow as it hits the higher ground, perhaps of the southwest of England, inland parts of Wales as well. For Northern Ireland, there could be a little bit of snow and sleet mixed in too, but towards the far northeast, well, temperatures may be on the cool side, but remaining dry and fine. If you're off to see any of the Premier League matches today, fairly cloudy skies, but I think in Manchester and in London, we're likely to keep the dry conditions until the latter part of the afternoon. And that's when this rain, sleet and snow mix pushes in across parts of the Midlands and southern England too. The areas most at risk of snowfall are Wales and the Midlands too. Through into this evening, 2 to 4 centimetres possible, even at some lower levels. On the hills, there could be more than that, perhaps 8 to 10 centimetres, but significant uncertainty on exactly where will be rain and where will be snow. But it moves its way eastwards across the southern half of the UK as we look through this evening and overnight. Behind it, clearer skies, but strong gusty winds for a time, particularly across the southern half of England. And so once the main bulk of rain, sleet and snow pushes off towards the east, we could well see some icy conditions to start the day tomorrow morning. Temperatures just about above freezing in most of the cities, but in the countryside certainly it will be a sub-zero start to the weekend. So cold with a little bit of lying snow here and there and also some icy stretches on the roads. Continuing to be wintry across the far northwest with showers pouring in here, and those wintry showers continue to push southwards and eastwards through the course of the day tomorrow. So sunshine, wintry showers tomorrow and feeling cold, particularly in the breeze with those temperatures at best just around about 3 to 7 degrees or so. So in terms of the snow to come later on today and some iciness overnight, the combination of those two things could mean some travel disruption, particularly on some of the more minor roads. BBC local radio stations are always a good place to keep tuned because they will keep you up to date with any latest travel disruption due to the weather. Now, high pressure takes charge through the second half of the weekend, so that will quieten things down for Sunday and on into Monday as well. After the rain, sleet and snow of today, the next few days look much quieter, so return to some sunshine. Temperatures still on the cold side for the time of year. But if you want to get a detailed forecast where you live, if you've got a smartphone or a tablet, the BBC weather app should keep you up to date with how it's looking over the next few days. Back to you, Sally.
Sarah, thanks very much.